Hey guys, hey. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Chip.
I'm Delaney.
And in today's video, we are back at it with a makeup artist inspiration shout out video.
We missed our upload for October, but you know, whatever.
We're back at it.
November.
You'll
Here we are. We're gonna do it.
So yeah, so basically in this video, we pick 2 Instagram makeup artists and we recreate their look and we just give them a shout out and we attempt to
do something different that we never do.
That's true. That's true. And I feel like it's nice. It's sweet to like share a look from someone else. And
it's like you did it together. So this video I picked, I'm probably gonna totally ruin this. I know the first word is pinkish, and then I don't know if it's Pindel or Pyendel. I don't know. Pinkish Pyendel. But her artistic look, which we'll put up on screen, it just looked really nice. I'm like, I could do that with lips. I'm gonna do it.
So I am going to be showcasing Color You Capri. I want to say it's Capri.
Yeah, like Capri Sun.
Yeah, that's cute.
Minus the sun.
So I really love like her colorful looks. They're very bold. And in this one that I'm recreating, it's a black look with pink accents. So she has some on her lip, a little bit as like her liner, or a lot on her liner. I feel like the lashes she's wearing have pink on them. It's basically pink and black, but a neon pink. So I'm feeling it.
Okay, so for my first layer, I'm gonna take the liquid lip from Pretty Zombies Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Unusual. I have not yet put this on the eye, but sometimes it makes my lips feel kind of like burny, so if I start crying.
I'm gonna go in with the P. Louise black base. So it looks like here it's really a smoky black eyelid, so I really want to make sure the black sticks. And then I'm taking the Sephora Pro Stippling Concealer number 52 brush, and I'm just going to blend that all over my lid.
I didn't even say what brush I'm using, but this is the Morphe E38. It's a bit lighter brush. I have been obsessed since we got this in our lip glam.
I told you, you would love it. The detail work you can do with that brush is amazing. With that down, I'm gonna go in with E5. The palette, I'm diving back into the ABH Pro number 2 palette, topping that on to the base. And the brush I'm using to add the black is the Morphe M434. Now, it doesn't look like the black is diffused itself. It looks like the pink is laying on
top.
Yeah, on top. So it looks like she used the pink to try to diffuse the black, but she didn't diffuse the black into the pink. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We're going to go in with, this is again another Morphe brush. This is the PK36, and we're going to dive into the pink shade, which is D3, and diffuse out that black. And then with this pink, it looks like it's going to the brow.
And she kind of goes about 3/4 of the way in. So I'm just dragging this underneath the lower lash line. Still the same brush, still the same liquid lip. So what I really liked about this look is that she did this liner right, but then she did like dots over the top. So like, I am all about it. So we're done with that lip. Now we're going to use one from Baby Bath. This is Extraterrestrial. It's like not as best wearing on the lip because it's so opaque. So we're gonna try it on this eye.
Okay, so now we're going in with a pink liner, and this is such a vibrant pink. So I decided to use my Makeup a Murder Neon Pigment. This is the Poison collection, and it's a pink. They don't have names, but you can get them in sets, which I really like. So I got the whole just like set. We're going to use a little bit of water. You can use any type of mix and medium. It's in a little jar, which is the worst way ever.
I'm just waiting for pigment to just fly on me.
Oh, it always will.
So this green is working out relatively well for what I needed to do. I'll probably go over the dots a couple of times.
So it looks like there is some fine details as far as under the brow. And we're just gonna do some line. All right, then there's definitely a pink liner. So we're gonna just do a liner.
So with the dots placed, there's a little bit of glitter on here. I jump into the palette from Dear Katie Brown, As Bright As Your Future. It's a nice pressed glitter palette. I'm going to use HIJINK's, Wire, and Vapor. HIJINK's is the purpley blue reflect, Wire is blue, and then Vapor is the green, just to tie it in with the dots that I did. I'm gonna start with HIJINK's first, and we're just gonna pat this over the liner.
So trying water for the first time. As far as the pigment, I like, but I don't like the way it's sitting. So I prefer the ABA glitter glue adhesive.
And with these glitters, I'm just kind of like dabbing them along because I don't want it to cover up all the spots that I did. Jump into Vapor, which is the last one. So she does have like a lighter color on the lower lash line. I'm going to use another liquid lipstick for this from Baby Bat. This is in Lotus Lace.
Now for the lip here, she is wearing a black lipstick and then she has more pink detailing on the lipstick. So for the black lipstick, I'm doing the Sephora Lip Stories in number 44 Woof.
Okay, so I'm going to finish up the eye look with the TRESTIQUE Good Vibes Mascara.
And then for the pink detailing, we're just gonna go back in with a little mixture.
Since it's just an eye look in her photo, I'm gonna just go with a neutral black lip. This is Raven from Baby Bat.
The highlight, she is wearing a very prominent highlight. I'm just gonna go with the highlight that's really glowy on my skin. So I'm just gonna do my Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Dark Horse. Do some mascara, so black mascara on our bottom lashes. I'm using the Tarte Big Ego. I'm going to put some on my top lashes. And then we'll just add a little bit of the pink. Cute! Ooh. I like the dots.
I like your dots.
Are cute. Yeah. So many dots.
I like the little bit of on the lip.
Right? It's different.
Makes it a little different. Mm-hmm. And you're so highlighted for the woods.
I had to copy. I mean, you know, gotta copy it.
You know, oh my god.
You gotta make it perfect.
Alright, we're gonna get into close-ups and we'll show you what look we were trying to create as we were doing.
Props to the original creators.
Yeah, y'all go give them a follow
Yes.
on Instagram, and I'll link if they have any YouTube channels. I didn't check before we filmed today, but if it's all there, it's going to be down in the description box just like all the other ones. We'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!